This is basically what I do when I'm designing these. So I have this name, customer wants this removed. So once I have the design, I need to make it a mesh. So I'm going to open up in Mesh Mixer. Here's the design. And each object is isolated in it. So I need to combine them, make them solid, change the accuracy, change the density. I'm using a 0.35 nozzle. This is going to take a few minutes. While that works, I'll open Slicer, load my configuration for hips. Change my resolution to 0.2. Remove crossing perimeter, avoid crossing perimeters to generate this code faster. It's going to be covered in glitter, so I don't really need it to avoid crossing the perimeters. I'll close this because I'm done. These are the basic programs I use. 123D, Mesh Mixer, Photoshop, Slicer. I don't actually use ZBrush yet. Preform. Preform, I'm working on this engine block. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna fix these areas here. But that's a different project. While I'm waiting for this though, I can go in here and see if I can there's no way for me to add a support here. Once I'm done editing these supports, I can print this block. actually like how many supports are in these cylinder walls, so I'm going to see if I can remove some while I'm here. As you see, this takes a long time. I've done about 20 of these names. If I can speed this up in the upload, I will. Otherwise, you might just want to fast forward through some of this stuff. It would not hurt my feelings. The accuracy is really important to me on these snowflakes because as the quality goes down, the snowflakes start to look a little sloppy. The customer might not notice, but I'm going to notice, and I'm trying to put out the best product I can. There we go. Alright, so now we've got a decent solid. Everything looks nice to me. So I will accept it and I will export the model as an STL. Just going to throw it on my desktop. I'm going to close Mesh Mixer because I'm done with it. Close Preform because it's a different project altogether. And I'm going to take I've already got all my settings in Slicer, so now all I need to do is export the code. And sometimes it rotate them 90 degrees, but this one, I don't care. This code's going to take a few minutes, so feel free to fast forward right now. I'm just going to keep it running. Actually, I don't even need to keep it running, because all I wanted to really show you was the when the code's done, this is what it looks like. And it just goes for days. And when it's done, I go down here and I make sure that it's got this and this to make sure the code's actually done. Sometimes these codes will stop like right there, and it's not actually a finished product. So it's just a little quality control I do. And here's what the actual printing looks like. As you can see, this extruder is depositing plastic onto this glass. There's an adhesive on the glass to help it stick. And it's on layer 1 right now, so it's going to build up layers on top of this until you have an actual physical object. And then when it's all done, it'll look something like that. And as you can see, it's got some depth and it's an actual thing. So there's no ink, there's no paper.